Class, pay attention here again. We are going to watch a YouTube video so you can understand better what frequency adverbs are. Okay, what frequency adverbs are. In this video, you have to take notes in your notebooks, take notes of the video of this, and recognize some frequency adverbs that the person in this video is mentioning. Okay? So, Israel, what do we have to do in this video? For this video, what do we have to do?
Recognize some adverbs of frequency.
Okay, recognize frequency. Very good. Let's start. It's very simple, so listen carefully.
Conversation practice. Afternoon. Always. Usually. Sometimes. Rarely. Never. Actions. What do you usually do? I usually go to the bank. I always go to the supermarket. I sometimes go to the park. For you.
Okay, this was the video. So now we are going to check which frequency adverbs. We are going to check which frequency adverbs you were able to recognize. Okay? Okay. Who got a frequency adverb of the video? Always. Very good, Israel. Always. The ones who didn't get it, write it in your mind. Anyone else?
Usually.
Usually. Very good.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Never. Very good. One more, maybe. Then. Rarely. Very good. Those were the ones that were in the video. Often? Not really, because that was the question. How often do you do this? Okay? Now, I have this for you. Here, we have a figure. Do you recognize this figure? No? Is this a circle or a triangle? Triangle, right? Do you know why there are percentages here? Porcentaje? Why? No? Do you know? Well, I'm going to write the frequency adverbs here so you can see better. I'm going to write it again in the same order. And we are going to check why frequency adverbs can have a relation with percentages. So, I'm going to help you with the first one. 100% of the times, I always breathe. I breathe every day. So I do it every day, so the 100% of the times I breathe. I breathe every day. I always breathe, so always would go here. Always. Now, you try. For example, what? 0. 0 times.
Never.
Never. Very good. For example, I never run. Never. I never run. No. No. It's not for me. Running? No. Never. I never do it. And what about the other ones? Okay, never. We already used it. What about the other ones? What would be a 50%? Like
Sometimes.
Usually.
Usually.
Usually, are you sure? Sometimes
Rarely.
or rarely?
Rarely.
Let's try with another one. In the 20%, which one do you think can go?
Rarely.
Rarely. Okay.
The other sometimes. The other usually.
And the 50%?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So I do it like, sometimes it's like I do it most of the time, but not always. It's like a 50%. And 80%? Usually. Because I do it like a day and another one not. So I usually, for example, I usually study for the English class. Sorry. Like, you study usually for the English class? No? That's really bad. But, for example, I sometimes go to the supermarket. I sometimes go to the supermarket with my mom. Do you go to the supermarket with your mom?
Yes.
Yes, you have to help them. So these are some examples. For example, let me work. They are here. So for example, I always play Fortnite. I think that some of you always play Fortnite, right?
No.
I usually I post one picture per day on Instagram. Per day, usually, like kind of always, but not always. And the third one, sometimes I check my Facebook account. Sometimes, because Facebook is like, not that popular, right? And other example, he rarely is online. Rarely. Sometimes he's online, sometimes he's offline. And the last one, she never checks WhatsApp. She never answers me. She never checks. Now, it's your turn to create sentences. So, can someone give me a sentence using those frequency adverbs? I always what? You said it right. Say it out loud. But come on, Felipe, you can do it. I always use WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay,
Listen.
that's right. I always use WhatsApp. I always use WhatsApp. Another sentence? Use it not always. That's okay. Sometimes? Okay. With sometimes? What do you? Sometimes I check Instagram. Very good. I mean, you're using the verbs that we studied yesterday, so that's okay. Sometimes I check Instagram. Sometimes, not always, sometimes. Now, you have to work on your mind maps, the ones that you have there, and start writing the frequency adverbs and the sentences, examples, okay? You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes.